If you own a Ram 1500, electrical issues can leave you stranded. Let's clear up what to do when your alternator stops working. First, watch for warning signs: dim headlights, flickering dashboard lights, or a battery warning light. If you spot these, your alternator could be failing. Step 1. Pop the hood and check your battery connections. Loose or corroded terminals can mimic alternator problems. Tighten them up and see if anything changes. Next, look at your serpentine belt. If it's cracked, loose, or even missing, your alternator won't spin right. Replace the belt before blaming the alternator itself. Now time for a simple test. With the engine running, use a multimeter on the battery terminals. You want to see around 13.5 to 14.5 volts. Anything lower, and the alternator isn't charging properly. If the voltage is low, double-check the alternator's wiring and connectors. Sometimes a loose plug or frayed wire is all it takes to stop charging. Still no luck? The alternator itself might be dead. At this point, you'll need a replacement. Most auto parts stores can test your alternator for free if you bring it in. Once you swap in a new alternator, reconnect everything, and start your engine. Check that your warning lights are off and your voltage is back to normal. Remember, catching alternator issues early can save you from getting stranded. Stay safe and keep your Ram 1500 running strong.